Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about accounting. The topic today is about the straight line method depreciation. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find about depreciation expense. That should be about the cost of the machine minus about the salvage value, and then we divide by the total useful year, or maybe total useful life in here. So that should be about this one minus this one, then we divide by number 4. And now depreciation expense, they have the same with this one in here. So as the number 0, the book value of the machine, that's about 100,000. Now beginning book value should be same with ending book value in the previous year, that is about this one. So we know that because we have depreciation expense, this one will be accumulated depreciation. So we have this one minus this one. Now this one, that's it in here. This one plus this one. And we have this one minus this one. And this one repeat again. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.